back to Ashley U Life. In today's class, we're gonna curl our lashes 2 different ways, but both of those ways are a little unconventional. So if you're like me, you've become obsessed with TikTok. It has so much fun information and everything's so fast and quick and it's the best. So on TikTok the other day, I saw a girl curl her lashes with a heated curler and I was like, ooh, that looks fun. So I got it. I didn't get the brand she used. I got this one, Be My Lady, because it had better reviews than the one she was using on Amazon. So here's the thing. This was all I was planning on reviewing. But today when I was on TikTok, I saw a girl say, hey, you don't need that heated curler. You can just use a blow dryer. What? And so now today we're gonna compare both ways, the heated curler and the blow dryer, and we're gonna see which one works better and see if you really do need this or not. So this has a little power button and you just hold it and it'll turn on. I don't know if you can hear it, but it has a very loud buzzy sound. And you're able to change the mode right here from low to medium to hot. We're gonna put it on hot. So the first step is to put on your mascara first. So I'm just using my Voluminous by L'Oreal that I love oh so much. I also thought it would have been fun to use the mascara that's going around right now, the one that's supposed to like make them luscious and long, just like you're wearing false lashes, but I didn't get that mascara yet. But don't you worry, a review on that mascara will be coming soon. So it says it only takes us about 10 or 20 seconds to heat up, and then I'm supposed to put it against the base of my lash, pushing it upwards for 5 to 10 seconds, and then pull up just like I would with mascara. Let's try. Ooh, that was a little hot. Be careful. That was super warm, verging on hot. So just be careful if you have it on the highest temperature, if this is something you get. And I mean, I think I see a little difference, and it did say that some of the mascara would come off once I did that process and to put another layer on afterwards. So let's do that. Okay, so I definitely think that it did something. They're way more curled than they were. Let's try to blow dry them. So the blow dry method, you need to have mascara on too. So I just put on a little mascara on the top. Here's a little comparison. This is no curl, and this is with the heated curl. I mean, I don't know if I see a horrible difference. I see a little difference. I see a little bit more curve right here. I just feel like my front areas are always maybe just a little bit up, but I do see a difference like towards the edge. So now you're just gonna take your blow dryer and you're gonna turn it to heat and you're gonna blow dry your lashes. I'm not even joking, I saw this girl do it. And so we're gonna do it too. She kept her eye open. Oh my gosh, that like makes the eyes water. How did she do that? Oh my gosh, I think that freaking curled it. I'm not even joking. All right, I'm gonna put the second layer of mascara on. So they're both curled. Then they're both curled the exact same amount. So no, you do not need this. You don't. Maybe if you had ridiculously long lashes, this would be something you need. But I just have normal everyday lashes. That's why I like to add false lashes myself. So this is not something you need. You do not need to go out and buy this unless you wanted to try it like I did. I mean, it was fun, but if I could get the same effect by just blow drying my lashes, I'm gonna blow dry my lashes. Well, I hope you had fun and you learned a little something. I know I did. And before you go blow drying your lashes, make sure to like and share so other people can like and share. And don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you next class. Wow, I'm so glad I watched that other TikTok this morning. That's so crazy that I happened to come across it today, the day I was gonna film about this. I learned another hack for this. How fun. And hey, if you're new to my channel, I'm Ashley. I do hair, makeup, and life hack classes weekly. So please do hit that subscribe button and the little bell next to it, because that's what lets you know when I upload a new class so you don't miss out on any of the fun. See you soon.